India is zooming on the fast lane in the realms of science and technology and is among the nations that are racing ahead on the path of progress. Through its significant contribution to the socio-economic sector, the agriculture too is chipping in with its might. Yes, the seeds of our prosperity lie in our villages. Village industries, especially the farming and farming-related industries, have been playing a great role in our nation's onward march. Reach out to the rural India was the clarion call of Mahatma Gandhi. Far removed from polluting environments, these countless villages provide us with food and dairy products and fulfill the ever-growing needs of the burgeoning India. The Dodla Dairy too is inspired by the clarion call.
Dodla Dairy Limited is a 15-year-old company. It was started in 1997 with the first plant in Nellore. We started the company with the aim of supplying to the city of Chennai. Today we are a company which sells 5 lakh liters a day of liquid milk in the southern region of India with Bangalore, Chennai and the metros of Hyderabad, and we also cover the southern territories of the states of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and AP.
It is fulfilling the twin responsibilities of lighting up the lives of the milk producers at the village level and addressing the milk products needs of the urban India at the same time.
Dodla Dairy started with the intention of helping the farmers from Andhra Pradesh. We as a family also have been associated with the farming community. We still do agriculture in our villages. We have done this by creating a cold chain infrastructure for the farmers who have small quantity of milk to be able to take the small quantity of milk from the rural areas and market it into the urban centers.
Dodla Dairy supplies high-quality milk collected from the villages and processes in its chilling and processing units within the stipulated time to ensure the freshness of the milk.
Dodla Dairy is most admiring dairy companies of South India. Dodla Dairy is a agro-based industry. Because of this, we could create a lot of employment for both rural and urban population of southern India.
Its motto is to provide remunerative prices to the rural milk producers.
We are paying remunerative prices promptly to the farmers. As on day, we have almost around 7,000 agents covering 2 lakh farmers.
The Dodla Dairy is winning accolades for its resolve to stand by the rural milk producers as also for its determination to serve the customers by supplying a host of high-quality milk products. Headquartered in Hyderabad, the Dodla Dairy has set up its first milk processing plant at Nellore in 1997. From an initial processing capacity of 1 lakh liters, it has now grown to 6 lakh liters per day.
Right now we are handling 6 lakh liters per day. We are packing with 6 places, 6 packing stations, and we expanded market Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad and the local areas Nellore, Ongole and Tirupati, small towns also. Our prime focus is quality and we got out-of-state facilities and quality initially right from the can reception to chilling center to tanker. Everywhere we are taking all quality steps to ensure the customer satisfaction that with a good quality.
Soon, the activities were expanded to Chittor, Kadapa and Guntur districts. and processing and packing units were set up at Penumur, Palamaner, Satyanapalli, Budwell and Sindhanur of Karnataka state.
Dodla Dairy is now a 500 crore company. We aim to take this company to a 1,000 crore company in the next 3 years. We also will ensure that Dodla Dairy will one day be a company of international standards in terms of the products we deliver to our customers. And also we will ensure that our back-end supplies, which are basically the farmers and we act as aggregators, will be done in a manner which will reflect of global standards.
Buoyed up by the successes in Andhra Pradesh, the Dodla Dairy has expanded to neighbouring Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and is now listed among the top dairy companies of our country. Also, as part of expansion, a 15-ton capacity milk powder unit has been set up in the year 2009. From a modest 1 lakh litres a day, its production capacity notched up a 6-fold increase in 2009-2010.
With this in mind, we have established close to 40 chilling centers, which basically procures the milk from the farmers and chills the milk. And we have also processed this milk and taken it forward to the markets. We will be doing a lot more of these in the years to come, and we will be establishing close to 100 such operations in the next 2 to 3 years' time. Dodla Dairy will also be in the area of farming, which will help the farmers to grow their own nutritive crops for the animals and to genetic breeding for the animals, and make sure that the animals give higher yield. Today we are on a very low yielding pattern, that 5 to 6 litres average per animal is what is our current yields. We hope to take this up to 15 litres per animal in the next 2 years' time, which comes in through better farms and farming activities.
The expansion proposals for the next 2 years does include processing and packing units with 2 lakh LPD each at Hyderabad of Andhra Pradesh and Devangiri of Karnataka. The growth is not just quantitative. There has been an enviable rapid growth in quality. Keeping the customer's health in view, this company has introduced effective pasteurization in all its units, which ensures bacteria-free milk and milk products.
Our HR department objective is to identify, attract, develop and retain self-motivated employees and to inculcate the moral and ethical values among the team members. Each level employee has been assessed on monthly basis, through which the performance will be recognized and they will be rewarded annually. And because of this, all the employees are very happy, and performing people will get the recognition and reward on annual basis. Dodla Dairy has achieved this success because of uncompromised efforts of our employees working with us.
All the Dodla Dairy units are ISO and HACCP certified for its systems and methods. As an organization that has earned the trust of its over 2 lakh dairy producers, the Dodla Dairy has steadfastly believed in providing true value through accurately calibrated measurements. Also, remittances are made through savings bank accounts to the dairy producers through a foolproof and reliable process. For Dodla Dairy, the welfare of the village-level milk producer is at the top of its agenda. Hence, mobile veterinary care and support teams have been set up to fan out into the rural interiors to ensure livestock health and protection.
అందరూ పాలు పోసుకొని డబ్బులు ఇస్తారు, కానీ దొడ్ల డైరీ వారు పాలు పోసుకొని డబ్బులు ఇచ్చేది కాక గేదెలకు రుణాలు కూడా ఇస్తున్నారు.
It has earned the trust of the dairy farmers by providing them with lending facility and insurance for the livestock.
మేము చాలా బాధల్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు గేదెలు మమ్మల్ని ఆదుకున్నాయి. దొడ్డ డైరీ వల్ల మేము చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉన్నాం.
ఈ ఏరియాలో ఇన్ని డైరీలు ఉన్నాయి. దొడ్ల డైరీ మాకు లోన్లు ఇవ్వడంలో కానీ డబ్బులు పాల చెల్లింపులో కానీ ముందుంటుంది.
Providing on free of cost like this, grass, saplings, seeds, and we are also providing veterinary inputs like artificial insemination, vaccines for HS and FMD vaccines. We are also providing on subsidized rates. We are also providing loans from bank to below middle class and marginal farmers to purchase the animals, as well as advances from our dairy also.
Dodla Dairy is expanding in Indian consumer market through its continuous efforts for improvement of quality and services.
We always purchase for food grade items, even which should not affect our product. So we should benefit our end consumers. We always go for standard material, food graded material.
Not one to rest on its laurels, the Dodla Dairy is ever on the lookout for new investment opportunities on its path to progress.
To this extent, we hope that by another 5 years' time, we will be able to show proof of what we are saying. We will be doing it 3 years in terms of the front end of the sales and in 5 years in terms of the back end of our aggregation. I would give a lot of credit to whatever we have done to the people of this organization who have made it happen, starting with our suppliers who are the farmers and the people within the organization and our customers who have done the job of taking us from where we are.
It is notching up ever new benchmarks through an unceasing practice of infrastructure augmentation by setting up bulk coolers, chilling plants and parlours across the country.
We are creating now parlors, especially in Hyderabad, in Andhra Pradesh, especially covering exclusive Dodla parlors to give all variety of products, Dodla products to the consumers.
Bringing smiles to countless dairy producers and consumers alike, Dodla Dairy is marching ahead in fulfilling Mahatma Gandhi's avowed vision of rural development.
This company has helped a lot of us who are ordinary people to become extraordinary in our field, and we will keep doing this in future and we will make this company one of the best in the country and also maybe a multinational company in the days to come. Dodla Dairy will also go into the area of agri-agglomeration. It started with milk, but in the days to come it might go into other areas of agglomeration also because of the cold chain facilities that have been established.
Unveiling many more expansion plans, the Dodla Dairy continues to be the flag bearer of rural prosperity through responsible entrepreneurship.